In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove backgrounds with Nano. We'll walk through a simple workflow using Google Gemini that takes your image, removes the background, and replaces it with a clean backdrop. Perfect for product shots, profile pictures, or social posts. Start by opening Google Gemini in your browser. Once you're on the main page, look for the Tools section. This is where Gemini groups visual creation features, and it's the quickest path to the background removal workflow. Click Tools, then choose Create Image. That brings up the canvas where you'll attach your photo and guide Gemini with a prompt. Next, tap the plus icon to add your image. Select Upload Files, browse to the photo you want to edit, and upload it. For best results, pick a sharp, well-lit picture with a clear subject and as little clutter as possible around the edges. High contrast between the subject and the background makes cleaner cutouts. After the upload finishes, click into the prompt area. This is where the magic happens. Type a clear, specific instruction. For example, remove the background from the uploaded picture and replace it with a white background. If you have a particular outcome in mind, spell it out. You can say things like, keep natural edges and fine hair details, preserve shadows if they look realistic, center the subject, and use a soft white background. If you need transparency, ask for a transparent background and a PNG output. The more precise you are, the better Gemini understands your intent. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Gemini will process your request and generate the edited image. Give it a moment, then review the result. If you notice halos around the subject, missing strands of hair, or color spill from the old background, refine your prompt and submit again. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Try clarifying the background color, asking for cleaner edges, or requesting high resolution so the cutout holds up when you export. A few quick tips as you iterate. Keep your language concise. Ask for one background choice at a time. Mention lighting style if you want consistency with the original photo, and avoid overly busy source images when possible. If the subject blends into the background, add a line asking for careful edge detection. And that's it. Using Nano with Google Gemini's Create Image flow, you can remove backgrounds quickly and consistently by uploading your photo, writing a focused prompt, and submitting. Practice a couple of variations, and you'll dial in a look that fits your brand every time.